Hello! Sorry it's been such a long time since I've been on YouTube. We've had broadband issues, let's not go there. Hopefully they're all resolved now. So I wanted to start back with just a little short video. First of all, let me apologise for this. We're in lockdown here, end of the third week in the UK. Haven't been to the barbers for a month, so I'm kind of rocking the caveman chic look. It's only going to get worse. So just excuse that. Close your eyes if it helps. I want to talk a little bit about the violet flame mudra today. Many of you will know what the violet flame is. It's an esoteric or spiritual fire which is universally accessible and universally applicable. It's an alchemical flame. It has the ability to transform energy from one state to another. And the fact that it's universally applicable means that anybody can channel it with a little concentration and visualization. And the fact that it's universally applicable means that its energy can be applied to thoughts, feelings, esoteric energies, blockages within the physical system, the whole kit and caboodle. And it's really good for transmuting negative thoughts and negative emotions, which some of us at this moment in time are struggling with. Now, there are a variety of different ways of calling forth the power of the violet flame, but there is a mudra that was given to me by the Ascended Master Saint Germain some time ago, which maybe some of you don't know about. And it is this. We bring our hands together in the prayer position. We fold our fingers down into what we call the hedgehog. And then we bring the first two fingers up into what we call the steeple. And we add a little extra pressure on this middle finger here as we hold the hands together. Now, if you hold the mudra like this, you will begin to cycle the energy of the violet flame through your meridian system and your chakras. And you can then hold in your head, in your intention, really where you're wanting the violet flame to focus and target, whether it's negative thoughts, whether it's negative emotions, whether it's a blockage of energy within the system itself, or a psychical or spiritual esoteric force within your aura or your chakras, etc. Now, all really you need to do is just hold the mudra and focus the attention, but you can, if you want to, add a little mantra, such as, I call upon the violet flame, flame of the seventh ray, flame of alchemy and change, to Zadkiel I pray. Zadkiel is the archangel of the violet flame. That's a little chant that was once again given to me by the Ascended Master Saint Germain. So we will hold the mudra, little extra pressure on that little finger, focus on those things that we want to be cleared and transformed, and we might just recite the mantra 3 times, 6 times, but 7 is really the number of the violet flame, because the violet flame is found within the 7th ray. So, I call upon the violet flame, flame of the 7th ray, flame of alchemy and change, to Zadkiel I pray. I call upon the violet flame, flame of the 7th ray, flame of alchemy and change, to Zadkiel I pray. I call upon the violet flame, flame of the 7th ray, flame of alchemy and change, to Zadkiel I pray. I call upon the violet flame, flame of the 7th ray, flame of alchemy and change, to Zadkiel I pray. I call upon the violet flame, flame of the 7th ray, flame of alchemy and change, to Zadkiel I pray. I call upon the violet flame, flame of the 7th ray, flame of alchemy and change, to Zadkiel I pray. I call upon the violet flame, flame of the 7th ray, flame of alchemy and change, to Zadkiel I pray. Hopefully that was 7 times through. And when you're done, you can just gently, well, let's undo the mudra actually. So back into the hedgehog, back into the prayer, take your hands apart, and if you've got any residual energy in the palms of the hands, you can just take that into the body, or you can offer that out into the universe, to a world event or to a person that you think might benefit from a little bit of a violet flame blessing. And that's that done. So that's just a simple mudra for cycling the energy of the violet flame through the energy system to transmute negative thoughts and emotions. Hope that's of help, hope you've enjoyed that, and hope you'll tune back in soon for some other spiritual hints and tips from Edwin Courtenay.